Alright, I found this at the school that I clean. It's a humidifier. It was in the trash. It's got a nice big motor in it, but it's missing everything. I want to get that motor out. But as you know, I strip all my wire. But what you want to do with your plug ends, if you strip them, is you want to pry them out. There. Now I got a little piece of bare bright and a little piece of brass. Don't throw these in your copper bearing bucket. Don't throw them in a brass bearing bucket, because it's not that hard to get the copper out of them. See that? Now I got a piece of garbage and a wire I can strip. I already broke it when I threw it in the back of my truck. So it shouldn't be that hard. I just want the motor. I don't see anything else good in here. Oh, more screws. You know what? Time for plan B. Alright. This isn't going to be fun. Break out the big guns. I love homemade tools. That wasn't hard. I literally just picked it up by the wires and gave it a good shake, and it all came out. It's all right here. Got some copper bearing, coated copper, another piece of copper bearing. Oh, don't forget that. Another piece of copper bearing. Okay, now my camera battery died while I was filming, but the motor came apart easily. I just took out the 6 screws. Out came the commuter. And this is a brushless motor. Out came the commuter and Just pulled out easily. But to get all this copper out, you could take a hacksaw and hacksaw across everything and then pry it out from the other side. But I like to just, cut it from one side, and I'll have to sweep this up afterwards. I like to just cut it from one side. Cuts pretty easily, pretty quickly. Cut it from one side, and then just pull it out from the other. It's not hard at all to do. So I'm going to finish taking all this out, and I'll put everything together, and we'll see what we got out of that. Alright, I got everything tallied up here. We got some coated copper, which I'm probably going to strip. That'll be bare bright. Got some copper bearing. Got some number 2 copper. I got some heavy melt, or ferrous number 1. And I got some lighter ferrous number 2. And a couple little brass pieces. There's only about a gram there, so I didn't even count it. But we got ferrous number 1, 12 cents a pound. I got 1 pound. Ferrous number 2, got 2 pounds of it, 9 cents a pound, so there's 18 cents. Copper bearing, got half a pound of that, and it's 16 cents a pound, so there's 8 cents. I got a quarter of a pound of coated copper. There isn't much there, but that's $1.38 a pound. I did the math out. There's 35 cents there, but I'm probably going to strip that, so that'll be bare bright afterwards. And copper number 2, half a pound. Had to put it in the bag to weigh it. That's $3.20 a pound right now, and half of that is $1.60. Grand total of $2.33. Not bad for like 15 minutes worth of work. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.